Where are you going? Do you want to go swim? Do you want to go swim? So that's the swimming pool over there.
What's number 2?
Correct. So you just push. Yay! Gonna go here for just a little bit play before we go in the airplane. So that's our plane. Are you excited? I think so.
Be excited.
Don't really care, eh? You here? You excited? See you guys.
What's all of those lights?
You here? Yay, go. Thank you for helping. Oh, that's very amazing. Thank you for helping. Yeah, go. Straight in. So you right there?
Do another.
Is that cool in the top, buddy? You okay? Do you like it?
You like cool shapes.
Yeah. Put us in your mouth, huh? Wow! We're on the top now. Look at that. It's so beautiful. The lollies. Hello. Hi. Can't slap them. Sydney.
Yes.
Thank you. Hello, Philippines. Hello. There he is. Me. Yay. Konnichiwa. Okay, there we go. Here we are in the Philippines now. It's very crowded. Yeah, people. People. Yeah, that's the airport that we've been throughout. From the Brothers Review, share the love, peace, be awesome and stay cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe.